Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my gluten-free hand pies filled with my Prep Ahead pear jam. This is great for little hands. It's also great for big hands. We all love it in this house, and I hope you guys will too. And I don't know, like look, being gluten-free, it's hard to have like a little doughy hand pie. So this is a nice treat for us gluten-free folk out there. It's really yummy. Check it out. So we're going to start with 2 cups gluten-free flour. We're going to prep the dough first, and then we're going to let it chill for half an hour in the fridge. So 2 cups of flour. This is a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, melted, even though it's kind of solidified a little bit, but it's melted enough. We're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Actually, let's do 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I think it'll be better. Yummy. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So this is 1/2 cup of water. And then we're going to do 2 egg yolks. So we are going to get the egg white out of there. Sometimes I'll save the egg white and just cook it for my next like kids meal or for myself. Okay, 1 yolk. I don't like to just toss them because I love egg white. It's great protein. Okay, great. Yolk, boink. 2 yolks in. And then we're going to mix this up, and then we are going to chill this. So this is really easy, very easy recipe. Again, like if you were to look at, oh, gluten-free ham pie, it might seem a little hard to do. This is so easy. We're just going to get that all incorporated. So once I get it like this, I tend to just go in with my hands, mix it in. Oh, it feels so nice, nice and light. So now that it's all mixed together, because you don't want to overmix it, it'll make the dough a little dense, especially when we're using gluten-free flour. You want to be kind of easy how much you handle it. So we're going to make this into a ball, and then we're going to wrap this and pop this in the fridge. We can just lay down some plastic wrap, okay? And now we're just going to wrap this up. And 30 minutes in the fridge. So after this chilled, I brought it to room temp, and now we're going to roll it out. So lightly floured surface, lightly floured rolling pin. We're going to roll it out nice and thin, about 1/4 inch. Okay, that's a little thick, so I'm going to go a little thinner. I don't bake that often, so it's always really fun when I can bake something, because I mainly do like savory stuff, you know? Okay, cool. So that is going to be super cute, good size. So I could probably get 6 in this round. Yay. Then we're going to take all the excess dough and roll it out again. So let's just pull all that away. And the dough feels really nice. So that's great. So hopefully that makes for some yummy pies. Okay, cool. So now what we're going to do is fill it with a little bit of our pear jam. And the reason I like these is because they're little. You know, it's like a nice little sweet bite. Then we're going to fold it over. Just like that. Then we're going to crimp down the edges with the fork. We're going to cut a tiny little slit on top for ventilation. And then this is just a whisked egg with a tablespoon of water, a little egg wash. Little dab will do ya. And then, look at how cute. Isn't that cute? I'm going to pop that on a pan. This is just a greased pan. I usually like using parchment paper, but I actually just ran out because I use it so much. But that'll do. I just put some coconut oil on here. So the bottoms are going to cook quickly, so I got to watch that. But it's all good. So I'm just going to continue doing all these just like that. So I'm topping these with egg wash, which is just 1 egg beaten up with a tablespoon of water. And this is really going to help to make it be like beautiful golden brown. Okay, that's good. You just want to dab it. 400 degrees, preheated oven. I'm going to check it in 18 minutes. Oh my gosh, look at our beautiful ham pies. Isn't that cute? So now I'm just gonna put them on a little rack. They smell amazing. Look, it's like a perfect golden brown on the bottom. For someone who's gluten-free, being able to have something baked like this, like a little sweet treat, is truly a treat. So this is really exciting. Oh my gosh, let's cut one open. Okay, so you wanna let them cool. The inside is gonna be really, really hot, guys, so just be careful. But I do wanna show you the inside. Look at how beautiful that is. Perfectly cooked, beautiful little pocket of pear jam. Yay. So let's try it. That's so good, you guys. Oh, what a nice little treat. My kids are gonna lose their minds when they eat these. They're napping right now. They're gonna wake up to a beautiful little sweet treat. They're gonna be excited. Yay. Thanks for hanging out with me. These are delicious. Let me know what you guys think. See you guys next time. So good.